stop scrolling if you've ever wanted to install wallpaper but you're scared of mistakes. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to install wallpaper like a pro. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adabeke. If you want to upgrade your space, you have to keep watching this video. But before we start, you have to get your wallpaper first. You have to get a glue. It's actually top bond. Have tape to measure the wall so you can easily cut your paper. And I got my brothers to help me out. So this is top bond that they are using to put on the wall. But make sure that your wall or whatever is actually very clean, is smooth, and it's not dirty. So they are cutting the paper to make sure that it's going to fit and apply the glue on the wall and also on the paper. And there you go. They're actually putting that on the wall. Actually, the wall was actually dirty, but I wanted to upgrade it, and I know you would also want to upgrade your space. So go and grab your wallpaper, okay? So they're actually putting the gum, and they just repeat this process over and over and cover the whole space you want. They also this is me feeling myself while the men do the work, baby girl. So they kept doing this to cover this whole space. I actually wanted a design. You see how ugly that place is looking? I had to cover it. So they kept doing that, and my design is up next. So is this white one, and they just put it all straight up. The glue as usual, top bond was used, it was cleaning. So yeah, that's the design they put for me, and voila, everything is coming together. Everything is coming together. This is so easy. Trust me. You can do this. You can do this, okay? So I bought this little corniche to cover it, to give it a more sophisticated look, so it won't just be the wallpaper. You can get this if you want, but if you do not want, you can do without it, okay? So they had to put it with the glue, okay? The same top bond was used, so it's holding very, very well. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling well, but yeah. So there you go. It was put, and everything is coming together. I hope you are learning from this video. If this video helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.